Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping well and please be safe. So, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 2, Faith in God. The value which we are going to learn is faith. In the current time, faith is very essential to survive in this world. Not only current time, every time, but especially during this lockdown time, we need faith on God. Because without God, we are nothing. What is faith? Faith means it's a complete trust or confidence on God and people. We have to sometimes believe people also, those who are good towards us, those who are thinking good for our life, for our future, etc. A person who is away from God will be away from people also. He will not be able to face the people because he himself is doubtful about the purity of his own face. He himself realizes that he is not sincere to God and to himself. So, proclaim your faith in God. The trust which you have for God, you have to tell to others. That is called proclamation. Proclamation means telling others what we experienced, what we have learned. So, about God, whatever God has done in our life, whatever blessings, what are the graces He has given to our life, we have to tell to people, proclaim people about God. Strong belief in the doctrines of a religion based on spiritual conviction rather than proof. In science and all, by doing experiment, practically we will understand. But in the case of spirituality, we don't want proof. Just we need faith. We should have faith like rock. When the flood comes, when the tsunami comes, whatever it comes, the rock will be always strong. Nothing can destroy a rock. In the same way, our faith should be like a rock. In our life, failure, we may be depressed, we may be stressed, and so many things, pain, suffering, worries, anxieties, whatever may come and go. But we should not shake our faith. We should have strong faith. Living faith is shown by service and obedience to God. So not only talking, also we have to put it in a action. We have to do some service and obey God's words. Whatever God tells, we have to obey and we have to follow. Faith is a complete trust or confidence in something. To live in this world, we need to have faith. We board an aeroplane because we have faith in the pilot to take you to your destination. There are many persons, places, and things that we could put our faith in during our lifetime. But when it comes to things eternal, we must make sure that we get it right. So, after the death, we are going to God. It tells all the religion. So, during this world, when we live, we should think about God and we have to thank that whatever God has showered upon our life. We should have gratitude. We should show our gratitude towards God. That is what God expects. So, 10 benefits of having faith. The first one is faith can provide inner strength. So many of us, we are concentrating about our physical health, to have a diet and to have fruits and to have nuts, etc. How we are taking care of our physical strength, in the same way we need inner faith, inner strength. For that, faith is very essential. Faith teaches you give back and serve the less fortunate. That means always we should not receive. Also, sometimes we have to give by doing our service. Faith allows you to be selfless and put others first. Many of us think that I am good. So always we give preference to ourselves. I need, I want, I should be first, I should be the best. So there the ego comes and sits. So when we have faith, selflessly we give importance to others. Faith can help you to discover your purpose in life. So when you have faith, you will discover the purpose why you are living, for whom you are living, what you are going to gain by living this life, all these things. Faith helps you overcome stress, anxiety and fear. When we don't have faith, we will be sitting and crying in the corner. But when you have faith, then you will get up and you will go ahead. Faith can be the pathway to finding solutions. Always we should not talk about the problems. Always we should be aware of finding the solution. So for that, the faith will help. No matter how bad your situation is, there is always hope if you have faith. So always you should have faith. Never lose hope. Just when you think it is over, God sends a miracle. Miracle means that which never happens usually. Occasionally, by God's grace, something it will happen. We may not think that it will happen, but with the help of God's grace, it can happen. So my dear students, today we have seen what is faith and the definition of faith and how we have to have faith in God and others, what are the benefits, all these things. So next class we will see the video of Abraham, a man of faith. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. To get all the videos, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.